So now I have built the image. So this is my image. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to push it to my Docker Hub. So if you go here, if I go to, sorry, if I go to Docker login. So basically I'm going to log into my Docker Hub, and usually it will ask username and password. Okay, since I'm already authenticated. So you should have created your Docker Hub account. So go to hub.docker.com and you can create that one. Okay. Uh, then you can able to log in. So I'll share the link how to log into your Docker Hub. Okay. Uh, Next, what I'm going to do is I just going to, so in order to push to your Docker Hub account, let me open that URL. I have logged in to my Docker Hub. So this is last time I pushed it. Okay. So what I'll do is I'll try to create another repository. Okay. And try to push this code. So what I'll do is I'll create a name with same name. So what I've created is, so I'm going to create the image name as same. You can give any name, but I just for naming convention, I'm going to do this format. So I'm going to give a repository like this, and you can say it's a .NET web apps with, okay, and I will create. So you have two kind of thing, private and one private they're giving a free of cost. So usually in as per the best practice, we'll keep as a private, but in this use case, I'm making as public. Yeah, one public has been created. So in order to push your image to this Docker Hub, you have to use this code. So what I'll do is, so first I need to, so how it will understand is, this is your account name and this is your repository name. So first you need to tag it with, I mean, you need to rename your image with in this format. Okay. So in order to re-image in this format, we have to change via command line prompt. So what I'll do is, now I'll come here. So, so there is something command called, you need to tag it. So Docker image tag. Okay. And you have, so you already have a image name with .NET web apps demo. Okay. So .NET. So this is the existing one with, we will give in this format. So defaultly it will take latest. So no need to give that one. I'll take this. I'll rename this because why I'm doing this one is in future I'm going to push it with that format. So you have a tagging .NET web apps demo. So I'm going to tag it. I'm going to tag this image in this format. Okay. So let me tag it. Yeah. So if you issue a Docker image, you can see two images right now. So if you go here, you can see two images. So one is this one, which has just now we tagged it, and this is the old one. This is a old one. Now we are going to push this image. We are going to push this image to Docker Hub. Okay. This thing we are going to push it to Docker Hub. Okay. Now what we'll do is, now if you come here down, what we'll do is, we have already push command. So Docker push, then you have to put that name. So since I already copy pasted, so what happened is this image will be pushed. So if you come here, your website, Docker Hub website, second. So in website, you can see this is the one. Right now, nothing has been pushed. So once you push, you can see the tagging or image you can see here. Right now, a repository is empty. Now we will try to push it. Pushing. Yeah. So here, see, default it took latest. If you want to specify any other version, you can do it because we have multiple versions. That's why. So it is pushing this code to your Docker Hub. So right now it is pushing. Yeah, it's pushed. So if you come to your Docker Hub page, and you can see here your image is there. Okay. So this image will pull it into our Kubernetes cluster. That's it. Okay. So thank you guys. We see you in the next lecture.